Hey, I'm Lottie.
And hey, I'm Emma. Yeah.
How do you do that?
Right. This.
Right, this might take a while.
Right.
Okay.
Put your fingers together like that, really loosely.
Right, like that.
Yeah. No. Tuck them in.
Right, wait, show them. So like that, okay?
Yeah, leave your finger really loose and go like that.
Okay, so what? I'm getting it. Wait, no. Oh, almost.
You look like a sponge.
I can't do it! Oh god, right, okay.
Right, that, Charlotte, put them in.
Lottie.
Put them really tight. Do that. Your hardest grip.
Yeah.
Leave your finger loose.
But that finger won't go loose then. Look, if I do that.
Don't tense your hand. Now go.
I can't do this!
Right.
Oh! Wait, I almost got it.
Oh, you
I did it! I did it for a little one!
just stand.
I can't do it!
When you get the hang of it, you'll be.
What am I doing wrong?
No, it's this.
Ow!
Right.
Ooh! Ooh! Oh! It made a clicky sound! Wait, listen, really heavy. Wait. It does it sometimes.
Pull your sleeve up.
No. Yeah.
Oh, you did it!
I did it!
Yay! Like a fat kid that just saw a cookie.
I am not fat! Are you calling me fat?
No, I just said you're like a fat kid that just saw a cookie.
Like who? Malcolm?
I love the piece of that.
I was gonna put it on Facebook. Right, okay. Wait, no, I'm doing. No, someone might be
Oh, that hurts.
Yeah. I can't stop laughing. Right, I'm gonna go now and practice. Thanks, bye.